So, hi everyone, you're hearing my voice at Jurassic World Alive Raid Boss video. Today, I'm with Ryan, also known as the Cambion, and if we view his profile here, you can see that this is his loadout and these are his badges. So today, Ryan has joined me on a special occasion where we have to defeat the Carno Boss. And it's his first... No, I didn't mean that Irritator. No, man. So, why is he using that Irritator? Now, this is a strategy that me and him have come up with. It's called Ryan Strat. It's called the Ryan Strat. It's very simple. All you need is a T-Rex Gen 2, level 10, and an Irritator level 8. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to talk you through how to do it. If Ryan doesn't mess up, you know. But it's at night, because of course it is. Because what's cool at night? So it's a night raid, as you can see. And there's a Carno Boss. Yeah. So if you're the T-Rex Gen 2, the role I'm playing, what you want to do is start off by going for this move, Defense Shattering Impact. If you're the Irritator, you do Ready to Crush first. So there's Ready to Crush, as we suspected. And the Carno Boss will do Defensive Grip Taunt, which will cleanse and give it a shield. And these are its attacks, in case you didn't realise. And I'll be buffed and do a big hit. Nom. Already this much damage. Actually, I'm going to enable chat. Then you need to go for your little hit. This is why, because you're going to get buffed again. You're going to get buffed again. And, well, the boss will go for Vulnerability Impact, and it's not going to do much damage. You need to go for your little hit, because you're already buffed. Oh, for God's sake. Yeah, but now you go for your little hit, because, yeah. And there you go, Ryan's killed the boss, like that. So that's round 1 out of the way, because what you need to do in this strategy, we kind of played it wrong, but it's okay, because we're going to win, obviously, because, yeah. Oh, he's going to attack me here. Kind of on low HP. Oh, with a crit as well. Oh, not sure about this. This will work. Right, what is he gonna go for? He's going to attack Ryan. Yeah, just go for your armor-piercing rampage. Alright, so Ready to Crush is going to come in. Ryan's going to get attacked with 500 damage. I can survive that attack. Wouldn't have survived there, though. I would have been dead. This should kill him. I'm not getting any crits. I need to rely on Ryan, you know. We're not going to lose, big man. We are going to lose. Oh, no. Oh, no, we're not. Oh, well, Ryan's dead. Yeah, if the boss gets a crit here... Oh, well, Ryan's dead. Pretty sure I've done it. There you go. It's a risky strategy, but it will work for you. And there you go, the Carno Boss out in a matter of 3 or 4 turns. Yeah. Wirasaurus and 180 Carno DNA, very pog indeed. And yeah, that's how you do the Carno Boss with this strategy, Ryan's strategy. But now we're going to do the events, because yeah. So Purosaurus Gen 2 has these attacks. I always like to bring up the creature cards, just in case new people to the game who watch my videos are unsure about what creatures these are. So yeah, if they're all fierce, to be fair, maybe I'll just put in... Epic Cunnings. Who's my weakest? 15. It's not the Willy Rhino. It's my... Oh, he's invited me to another Carno raid, huh? Well, this time, I'm gonna do the same. Oh, not sure what to go for here. Actually, do you know what I'm gonna do? I think... Where is it? Ankylocodon. I think this guy's gonna do it. So, we've just made up... You see what I mean with this game? You can literally just make up a strat right on the spot. All you need to do is pick 2 creatures for a boss. Pick creatures for a boss. If it works, bam, you've got a strat. And not all strats have names, but I like to name them. I've got a handful myself, actually, that I used in my past videos. Actually, quite a lot of them. What's the best thing here? I'm going to go for Group Decelerating. I know he's going to cleanse it, but he's going to get a shield this turn. There you go. There's an attack. And then, when he gets the shield up, next turn, I can just get the shield down. Ryan's going to increase his attack. So there you go, already doing quite a bit of damage. Let me just open my blinds. There we go. So, Carnotaurus gives himself a shield, but it doesn't really do much damage to me or Ryan, because we both have armour on our creatures, and the Rend already destroys the shield. Even better. So now, I'm just going to go for defense shattering impacts, and Ryan's going to go for short defense. So I'm going to remove the boss's taunt, and get a crit. And the sharp counter is going to do nothing to me because I have 30% armour, 25%. Ryan gives himself a shield with a short defence. The boss attacks him but only does 73 damage. And he's going to attack me, but I'm immune to vulnerability, so it's calm. So now, I'm just going to go for Resilient Strike. If we were on low health, I would put up a group shield, but Carnotaurus is going to destroy shields in his next go with this bold rending attack. So as you can see, not doing much damage, but I have a feeling I'm going to get hit here. Not sure. Yeah, it's Ryan that's going to get here. He didn't break the shield, but he still did damage. Does it destroy shield as well? Yes, it does. So round 2 is up. Nice. And obviously, let's target the boss. So now, I am going to go for... They're both in the same amount of damage. You know what, just go for Group Decelerating, because then he'll be slower than all of us again. Just to make sure. He resists speed decrease. Another crit, there you go, 858 damage. We take 154 damage, but that's a good trade. Ryan uses Defense Shattering Strike. Gets hit with 147. And I'm going to get hit with a Rampage, but I've got armour, so I can kind of, take it. And I'm immune to vulnerability anyway, so... We're not going to lose, are you mad? Tell you what I'm going to do. Should I put up a group shield? Yeah, I think I'll put up a group shield. Why not? I'll put up a group shield. Nice, Lasts for 2 turns. There you go. So we're gonna get hit here. Oh my god, no. Why have you disconnected, big man? Well, he hits the boss, so it's not all bad. One of us is gonna get hit here, and it is Ryan. It is Ryan that's gonna get hit. So I'm gonna remove the boss's tool, because let's face it, there's no point in having it. I don't know what Ryan's gonna do though. I think Ryan's disconnected. Yeah, it seems he is disconnected. Yeah, but defense shattering strike is good. Right. Oh, and another crit. We're getting quite lucky here with crits. 77 damage, so I can take that. And Ryan's going to do quite a big hit here. Take some damage, unfortunately. And here. Now, I'm not sure what to do. Stop sending me messages. Yeah, and I'm gonna kill him. So which is epic. So it doesn't matter if Ryan disconnects here. I'm just gonna send emotes. So we're gonna kill him, no matter what. And this is on turn 7. So Ryan has disconnected here, but it's okay, because we won. Yeah, damn it, man. Yeah, I know. Your phone died. For God's sake, how are you still in this raid? How are you still on this raid? Well, we won. So it's calm. It's calm, we won. Again, another bit of Carno. Well, not really any DNA at all, but still, an incubator is an incubator. Why is everyone inviting me to a Carno Boss? Alright guys, I think we've had enough of a Carno Boss, not gonna lie. Anyway, on to the events. My god. As you can see, I'm very popular, guys. I'm joking. But it's nightfall now. And I'm gonna go straight in with the dodo. Against the largest crocodilian that ever lived, Sarcosuchus. Now you'd think it would be pretty obvious who would win here. Sarcosuchus has 10% armor, but with our flightless strike, we sort of get rid of that. Ooh, it's not really good, is it? I'm going to get rid of that. No. I'm not liking the look of that, damage over time, you know. We're alive by the skin of our teeth. You know what, should I just kill Sarcosuchus already. There you go, Sarko's dead. And Heart's Evil comes in. Against Purosaurus Gen 2. Also resistant to vulnerability. Everything's resistant to vulnerability. I don't know why. But it has a 20% crit chance, so it's not that bad. Unfortunately though, we are vulnerable. We can just cleanse that with Fearless Flap. We also distract him again. Gonna pick him up and then scratch. Unfortunately though, we are on lockdown. Oh, we're not. Because we are immune to swap prevention, which is actually really good. So now, Purosaurus can't do anything to us. I think. Yep, see? No damage. Nada. Now I'm just going to go for a dodge. Oh, it's against Spinosaur. Spinosaur can make us bleed, but it's okay. I'm going to save my Fearless Flap for now. And then next go I'm going to use it, because he may go for damage over time. Which he will. No crit, because he's only got a 5% crit chance. now as the Half Eagle, I'm going to cleanse that and kill Spinosaur, I'm guessing. Scrap. There you go, Spinosaur died. And so will Purosaurus. So basically the Half Eagle and the Dodo took on everything. The birds take on the strike, as they say. Alright, so that's one incubator done. Open the incubator. We're going to get some epic DNA. And it's for Griposuchus. Epic. Now I'm going to try this expert debuff trial. What do we get? We get Megalonyx DNA. So we get Monolophosaurus DNA. We get Compsognathus DNA. And Dodo. Dodo. For rares, we get Archaeopteryx, Megalonyx, and Compugen 2. And for the commons, we get Deinonychus, Ermotherium, Inonstransevia, and Ceolurus Ravus. Ooh. I think Tenontorex is the best option here. It may be a bad idea, but it's the only option we've got. So we're going to try it out. I have some high hopes because we can distract. That's a good thing. Already, though, we're in a bit of a danger. Well, yeah, Hostometrodon's just annoying. It's just annoying. It's healing himself. I'm not sure why it would do that, because it's going to get hit now. So there's no point doing that, big man. Right, so we're down to half health on the first creature, but we got 2 crits in a row, so pretty good. Baryonyx here. Well, it does go for an attack. Well, I think we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. Yeah, we died. Alright, I think I know how to beat this though, so it's okay. Right, that wasn't good. Alright, we got down to the last creature. Think I know how I want to beat this. We should have gone. Actually, I know what we need. Do you think Dilophoboa could do it? $200. That's annoying. I hate it when it does that. Dilophoboa. And I have reasons for that. It can distract the hell out of them. Alright, Dilophoboa, big man. Do you want to go in? Gorgosuchus. Is this what we start with? Alright, we're going to whittle him down. Ooh. Spicy. Well, he's got distraction on him, so now he can't do anything. So it's all good. Now he's only going to do 322. Now, we still can't kill him. Now we're just going to keep doing this. As you can see, this strat is working. And now he's dead. We lost a bit of health there. Now Baryonyx can do a lot of damage, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for sidestep. It's not really a sidestep, is it? Because I'm a snake. It's really a sidestep. You know? I thought he'd go for that. It doesn't go through our evasion, so it's calm. So now we're just going to keep cunning striking until he's low enough. Oh no, why are you doing that? Oh, yep, good stuff. Dilophoboa's doing quite well, as you can see. Ooh, you go for group takedown, interesting. But I'm just going to remove it. So, Baryonyx literally did. So now we're going to go for this. 4,800 damage. Whoa. Can we kill him now? Yeah. Right. Well, depends now. I think we've still lost though. Yeah. Well, we can defeat 2 creatures. I'm happy with that. Right. Yeah, not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna end the video here, to be fair. We've done too many Carnotaurus raids for a start. Like, my brain is about to implode. Just gonna open the window here. But let's finish the video off with collecting our daily rewards. Yeah. Upgrade the incubator. Alright. Good stuff. Just collecting some coins because I'm skint. Righty. And there we go. Actually, what should I request? Doedicarus. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. And wait, why is this here? Oh, damn. Alright, so this is going to be the end of the video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please slap a like. I'm not giving you a choice. But yeah, please do slap a like. And subscribe if you want to support me and your fellow people who have already subscribed, because they know what they're doing, guys. People who subscribe to me know what they're doing. So that's going to be it for me. It's it for you. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye from me and Toro.